Hey guys, so I have another pair of earrings for you, and these are, I'm calling them the Storm Drops earrings, and I'm using these new beads that Potomac Bead Company is about to come out with. They're called the Stormduo. It's a 2-hole bead, and I absolutely love them. They sent them to me to try out and do a little review, and I think they're great. They're adorable. They are, so the color I'm using right now is called Aztec Gold, 2-hole bead, and the name of the bead is Stormduo, Potomac Bead Company. This is a 9-gram tube, and it's going to be, I guess, $5.99 is their price. And the bead size is 7 by 3 millimeters. So this is going to be on sale, or should be on sale, depending on when you guys are watching this. And, so, what do you need? You're going to need 8 of these Stormduo beads. I've got 11-aught seed beads here. This color is their Toho number, is that right? Their Toho number 999. Oh, nope, sorry. Their Toho, yep, their Toho number 999. And they're gold, blue, AB, something like that. I'll look up the color and have it. Check the materials description box below the video. It's going to be in there. You're going to need 26 of the fire polish. That includes the drop, so if you leave off the drop, you'll only need 24. And that's it. And you'll need about maybe 15 inches of I used wildfire. You can use whatever you prefer. And a couple of ear wires. I used a size 10 beading needle. So let's get started. Okay, so to start our design, what you want to do is pick up 4 of the Stormduo beads and 4 of the 11-aught beads, and you want the Stormduos all going in the same direction. So this is what you should pick up. And bring them down towards the bottom of your thread, and then you want to tie a knot. So this is what you're going to get. You want to continue through the Stormduo, the 11, and then come out of the next Stormduo like this. Switch directions. And so I just went into the other hole of the Stormduo here, so you can see the little bit of thread there. Then pick up an 11, a fire polish, and an 11. Oops, I dropped my 11 there. Like so. Go into the next Stormduo bead. Fire polish, 11, so we're just repeating what we just did, and we're going to do this all the way around. So I got 2 more times, so we're going to do exactly the same thing. And continue. And then 11, fire polish, 11, and continue. So then continue through the fire polish and the 11. Pick up a fire polish, 11, fire polish. Continue through all 3 of the beads. And continue up into the fire polish and come out of that 11. I'm going to tighten this up a little bit because I really don't like it when thread is loose, so that's a little better. I'm going to see if I can get that tightened out a little bit so as I go. So we'll be making another round. Okay, so I want to pick up 4 of my 11s. Go back through that same 11 that the thread is exiting. I'm just going to flip the work. Come up through one of the 11s in this new loop that we just made. Pick up an 11, go through the next fire polish, or sorry, the next 11. Pick up an 11, go through the next 11. And pick up an 11, go through the next 2 11s now. And the fire polish. So this is what you get. Continue through, or actually don't continue through. You'll get this. So now you're going to pick up an 11, fire polish, 11, fire polish, and 11. So 2 fire polish and 3 11s. And you're going to go through the beads over here. So you're going to create that loop, then continue up and through the next, these 3 beads. And you're going to pick up the same set of beads. So 11, fire polish, 11, fire polish, 11. And you come out and add, go through this. So this is what you get. Then go through the 11 and so you want to come out of this fire polish out here. Pick up 5 11s. Then a fire polish, 2 11s, another 11, another, so 5 fire polish, 2 fire polish, 5. Skip over these, go through this, then you are going to pick up 2 and then 5. So you want to pick up 2 fire polish, 5. And you want to go into this bead here. Now go all the way around and come back and reinforce. This could get a little tight here, but it'll be okay. Then continue. So once you get there, you want to go down through those beads. Come out through these beads here, and what we're going to do is actually connect these two with this. So you're out there, go through the fire polish, and then go around. So you want to connect these beads together, mostly because this is a lot lighter. This outer loop was a lot lighter than the centerpiece, and so by connecting them together, it keeps them tightly close together and doesn't create the flip-flopping. So now we just want to tie off. So continue into these beads here, and we can make a 1/2 inch knot. So I just made a couple of 1/2 inch knots, as you saw. And now I can tie off. I'm going to add the ear wire. And here we go. Here's our final earrings. I also made a little charm here with a hat pin and the fire polish. So you add the charm at the bottom, and so this is an optional step. You don't have to do that. You can add a drop down here, or you can just leave this part off if you want. But I think it adds a nice cute little touch to it. Anyway, I hope you guys like this, and I think the Stormduos are great, so thanks for watching.